picture of the soap. And there's nothing in there. Oh, nothing in there. So just do that.
When you what? Do?
The clam is saying cheese to the camera.
Cheese.
You gonna take it out?
It's actually too hot.
Yeah, let's do this. Hold the shell. Pull it out. Hold it. Pull the shell off. Pull.
What?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, you can eat the soft part? Here it comes. Here's a kitty cat. Ah! You did it.
So you like that hat, huh? Basha? You like that hat?
No. Now we gotta wash that.
You silly thing.
Well,
See if you can get it out.
trying to get out. Too hot.
It'll cool off in 1 second.
Can take off.
Okay, you gotta keep it over the bowl so the water doesn't come out. Pull the shell off. Pull.
Pie is ready when it's ready.
Okay, kitty cat.
The pie is ready when it's ready?
When it's firm.
Oh.
So I don't know
Okay.
if toothpick's supposed to bounce